Our Resource Center provides the opportunity for you to access difficult-to-find information. Find continually updated, consolidated information sources that will enhance your productivity, providing the information you need just when you need it. We are thrilled to provide you with the most up-to-date conferences available worldwide. The ability to submit cutting-edge management and leadership-related research and development for review by global leaders everywhere. The ability to access global leadership R&D being conducted by our very own membership. Business insights that will keep you abreast of what is going on in the world of leadership. Critical information consolidated in a single location. An extensive and constantly expanding library of leadership and management recommended reading. Not to mention new and exciting opportunities to get involved with corporate social responsibility and volunteerism. We are always adding new and exciting content that will keep you coming back for more. Click the below link for more information.